Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create a website for your restaurant. And in this video we will be creating a website like this one. So here you can see it's a completely functional website where you can add your information, or you can simply add menus and get some orders from here. So you can promote your business by making a website like this one. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit wix.com by the link in the description. After that, you have to click on Get Started, and here you can log in with Google, or you can continue with Facebook. So in this case, I'm going to log in with Google. Alright, after logging in, you will see a button like here, create a new site. So click here, and here it will ask for what kind of website are you creating. So we want to create a website for restaurant. So let's type restaurant, and here you can see you can create a website for burger restaurant, Italian restaurant, a restaurant, pizza restaurant. So let's create a journal restaurant. Okay, click next, and here it will give us two options that how you want to create your website. First one is select which area create a website for you. It is like a automated process which will simply create a website for you just in a few minutes. You don't need to choose a template, you don't need to set up the things. It will basically automatically set up everything for you. But if you want to make your design look like as you want, so you should choose the second option. Like in this here, you can choose a template from thousands of design and make it own as you want. So let's click here, edit a template, and here you will see the templates. There are a number of templates which you can use, but we are going for a restaurant, so it's right here. So now you can scroll down and select a template for you, and if you want to see the preview of any template, you can simply click on view, and you can view full demo right here, and it will load us a complete demo that how this website gonna look like. So here you can see it's a demo of this website. Let's don't use this one, it's too reddish. Let's see this one, how it looks. Beautiful demo, and here you can see this is looking good. Okay, there is menu page. All right, if you want to see the preview of that how it's gonna look like on mobile device, you can check here, and you can see here it's completely responsive. So if you have selected any template and want to edit, you have to click here, edit this site, and it will set this template as our default template. Now wait for the process. All right, here is our template. Now you can simply change the text, change the images, add some new text, or you can remove some content as well. Let's suppose you want to change this text right here. You have to double click. Now you can change it. Let's suppose it's really hot. Now you can change the font here. You can pick a font as well. Let's change the font here. That's how you can change. Let's suppose you want to change this button alignment and you want to put it right here. You can do this, you can drag it along and place it where you want. Or you want to change the design of this button, you have to click here, design, and here you can see there are a number of buttons which you can use for your website. So let's suppose you want to use maybe this one right here. Okay, and now this is set. So let's scroll down, and let's suppose you want to add a new section. So you can do this by clicking on the plus icon, and here you can add a strip, you can add a box, you can add a list, or you can add a blog as well. So it's up to you what kind of element you want to add. In the store tag you can add a product grid as well, but let's add a blog section. start a blog, and you can add to site as well, and it will be added to your website. So let's suppose you want to change this background image right here. You have to simply click on the image and you can change strip background, and from here, oh actually it's which blog page which you have clicked before, but we don't want this one now. Let's go back to our home page and let's change this image. Now you can pick a background color as well. If you don't want image at the background, you can select a color. Let's suppose we want this color. As you can see, it's changing. So let's add an image as background, and here you can either upload a media yourself or you can search from Wix. So let's suppose search for food, and here you will see, and let's suppose you want to search for restaurant, and let's see, sorry, okay, and here you will see all the images. So let's suppose simply select a picture, okay, select this one maybe, okay, it's a Japanese restaurant, okay. Now after selecting the image, you have to click on change background and it will be set right here. But if you want to change again, let's change again, it's not looking very cool, so let's select this one, okay. Now it's added. Now you can add a video as well, or you can setting, you can change the opacity, that how much you want to show your image. You can color behind mode as well, or you can scale it to fit scale, or you can original size, you can change the that how it's gonna look like. You can change the style. So let's scroll down, and here let's suppose you want to edit this menu. So you can double click here, and from here you can choose the image, or if you want to change the menu, let's go to menu first, okay, go to menu page, and from here it will load us a menu, complete menu. Now if you want to change this menu, you can double click and select here manage menus, and from here you can add menus to your restaurant. Here you can see it's a menu section, click on edit menu, and here you can see these are all the menus. Now you can change the menu or you can add a new section to the menu. So that's how you can change the menu section. Now let's go back to our home page, and let's suppose you want to track something, you want to delete some area. So let's see what area you want to delete. We want to delete this section right here. You have to simply select the section and click delete. Okay, this section will be gone. Now let's add something here. So click on the plus icon, and from here let's go to maybe decoratives, or you can add gallery, you can add slider galleries, or you can add what kind of, let's add a slider gallery right here, okay, it will be added here as well. So let's change it. You can change the size, that how you want, okay. Now you can simply drag it and place it where you want. Same for here, you can drag the section and place it as you want. It's very easy. You can simply change the alignment with that how you want, okay. And after making all the changes, you have to click on publish, and your site will be published, and you can check the results as well. So from here you can see that how it will look. So as you can see, it's looking like this. So this image is looking too much boring, so let me change the image and I will see you after changing the image. Now I have set this image and you can see you can't see the text well, so let's add a overlay. So go to overlay and now you can add overlay from here, or you can adjust it by here. You can decrease the brightness, lower it, and you can adjust it that how you want, so it will be good for us. You can change the color saturation. Let's make it more bright and increase the temperature as well, and from here you can enhance a photo, and after making the change you have to click on save, and now you will see the big difference that you will be able to see the text as well. Okay, now you can see the text. Now let's change this text color. So click on edit text, and from here you can pick a color. So I'm going to pick a white color for this text, and for this text right here I will pick a orange color maybe. Okay, add a custom color, and from here let's pick a orange color. Okay, yeah, okay, it will be added. Okay, this is that simple that you can simply change it as you want. So that's how you can make a website for your restaurant, and you can manage the orders, you can add some menus, or you can change the design. That's all for now. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.